Hey guys, Phil from Precision Auto Glass here. So you need your windshield replaced and you're not sure what to expect. Here's what you should do. First, choose a company you want to work with and then call them directly. Do some research. It doesn't cost you a penny and you might as well choose the best. The average windshield replacement takes about an hour on most modern cars, and many are equipped with forward-facing cameras. This could take us around a half an hour to do, and we come to you. By choosing a company that can do both the replacement and the recalibration, it helps save you any out-of-pocket expense. That's why we like to do everything in-house. From start to finish, we'll do the whole job. Not all glass companies are created equal. It's more important to know what we do and why we do it the way we do it. A proper windshield replacement requires a couple things, so here's a couple things you need to know. First, we need to remove everything. The wipers need to come off, the cowl, or anything else that restricts access to the edge of the glass. Second is proper prepping of the bonding surface. We need to make sure everything is thoroughly cleaned. If it's not clean, it won't stick. And third, you need to use the right tools. We don't just use any tool, we use special fiberglass cutout systems that won't scratch or damage your car. If you scratch or damage a car, down the road, it's gonna rust. And you're gonna have issues that are way bigger than your broken windshield was. So check out the link in the video description to our proper windshield replacement 101 video, where we'll go over this in more detail. At Precision Auto Glass of Long Island, we don't take shortcuts. We strive to deliver quality installations every time. The average driver will need a windshield replaced about every 7 years. So it may be a while before you need our service, but when you do, you'll know who to call. It's nice to know that Long Island has its own auto glass professionals, and we'll be able to cater to your individual needs better than anyone else. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.